How to activate your credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your credit card online. Credit is a health, wellness, and personal credit card that helps individuals pay for out-of-pocket healthcare expenses. Now to activate your credit card, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device. At the search bar, type credit card activation. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to this page. Here you will need to click on this first link that appears, which is consumercenter.mysynchrony.com. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the official website of Your Credit Card. Here in this section, you will need to enter some details of your card. In this first box, you will need to enter your account number, which will be located on the front of your card, or also you can check it on your statement. Once you have entered this account number in the second box, you will need to type the 3-digit of your security code. It is located at the back side of your credit card. Now in the third box, you need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. After you do that, in this last box, you will need to enter your date of birth. Make sure you enter the correct details here. After you enter the correct details, click on this activate option right at the bottom and you will need to follow the on-screen instructions, which involves confirming your card details and personal information. After that, you will be able to activate your credit card online. After activation, your card is now ready to use. So by following the steps, you should be able to activate your credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.